Turn your ideas into high converting pages, funnels, and website in minutes without hiring any developer and with no coding required. Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS Deal Zone's new review video. In this video, we are going to talk about a new lifetime deal which is FlexiFunnels. So before we start, please hit the subscribe button and join our Facebook group for the more latest SaaS, LTD, and giveaway. So what is FlexiFunnels? FlexiFunnels is a drag and drop website and funnel builder. It helps you to create sales page, checkout page, and membership site without writing a single line of code. It is designed to replace expensive tools like ClickFunnels or Kajabi. So before starting the FlexiFunnels lifetime deal review, let's talk about FlexiFunnels pricing plan. If you go to the AppSumo marketplace, you can see this tool is offering lifetime deal for limited time. So if you want to grab it, don't forget to check out my video description box. And just a quick note, the link in the description is an affiliate link. If you buy through it, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. This is their AppSumo product page. This tool is very amazing. I will show you step by step how this tool is work, why this tool is a great alternative of ClickFunnels. I will show you step by step. So as you can see, they have a 5-tier pricing plan, tier 1 to tier 5. So tier 1 start from $49 US. As you can see, in tier 1 plan, you are not getting sales funnel builder or checkout optimization. And if you want to get all these premium apps and premium tools, then you have to purchase their tier 5 plan. Actually, this tool is amazing. So if you purchase the full stack plan, I think you will not regret it. So now let's explore how this tool works. So now let's talk about FlexiFunnels main feature. As you can see, you can start from creating a product, or you can start from creating a project. So everything began by clicking this product options or page option. As you can see, they have also quick explore. You can create a product, and as you can see, I just click here the product. There are two different type of product you can create here. Then you see digital product and membership product. I can create any type of product here and add it to my funnel for starting make money by using FlexiFunnels, right? So we start from project. So as you can see on my screen, FlexiFunnels, if I create a project, then it gives you detailed information about how many type of project they can build for you. So as you can see, FlexiFunnels doesn't just give you a blank page. It asks you to what your goal. And look at this option here. If you want to build a list, then you select collect email to create a simple squeeze page. If you are selling product, then you can choose sales funnel, and also have you select the product launch for video series, and launch a course for membership site, or host a webinar. And as you can see, if I select the different type of project, then the funnel step need multiple page, right? And as you can see, if you want the full freedom, you can just pick a custom funnel. Then you can create it with your own strategy. Let's say I select here sales funnel. So if I select here sales funnel, then it requires a funnel step. If I want to complete the funnel step, then I need to create email opt-in page, and email opt-in page to catch the lead, followed by the sales page to pitch the product. Then I need a checkout page also to take a payment, and maybe an upsell page to increase the order value, and finally the order confirmation page. There are multiple pages required for completing a sales funnel project. So the structure is brilliant. It organizes your entire business flow before you even design a single pixel, right? So once you have your project structure ready, then we move into the actual design. I already create a project. I already create a freelance project. Project is require multiple page because it's a sales funnel type project. So now you can click here apps options. So let me show you the real magic with the Flexi AI site builder. If you are not a designer, this is a life saver. Watch this. I am going to paste a detailed prompt here. As you can see, they have the option. You can create a single prompt website, like website for a yoga trainer. This is a simple prompt. If you select this prompt and input their chat options, then they can create an entire page for you. This is not you don't need to input here advanced prompt, but if you are input here detail in advanced prompt, then they can give you better result, right? So here I asking the AI to create a service page for my freelance graphic design business, include portfolio sections, the service I offer, and client testimonial, my work process and contact form. This is my short simple for this website. As you can see, if I okay, this is the entire page. I hit the generate button and look, it takes 5 to 6 minutes, and the AI created a beautiful sales page exactly matching my description, right? As you can see, add here some previous portfolio work and a beautiful client testimonial sections. Also they add some FAQ sections, and definitely they add a package product pricing plan here. And this page is completely mobile optimized. As you can see, if I click here, this page is completely mobile optimized. You don't need to do anything. So all you need to do, if you want to add it further here, you have to add this page to the project. So I have to click the edit option. So if I click to the edit options to change some element from this page, so I have to edit option and I have to publish this page. So this is the freelance service project, and I can add this page as a sales page. Also I can give a name, service page or home page. So I just name a home page. This is my home page, and I just publish this page. So it will be automatically add to my project. Once I import it into my project, the editor is unlocked. Then I can tweak every single element to make it perfect. If you want to change anything, you can do it here. Like if change title, then I have to click it, and as you can see, this is the gear icon. If I select the gear icon, then I can select the style, text settings, text color, everything is changeable, and this is really good. And also I change the image. If I don't like this image and I want to add my own image, just select the element, and you can upload your own image. And if you have a real project, then you can upload it. Everything is customizable. Also, if you want to add some new sections, in your page, just you have to create the new section options. Like if you want to add the sections, you can add built-in block. Also you can add any component, like is it section, is it header navigation bar, or is it a hello bar. So if it's sections, then you can create the type of row you want to create. If you want to add 2 column here, then 2 column is ready. If you want to add some image here or video, you can add some image here like this. You can add some video here like this. So everything is customizable here. If you can add and customize each and everything according to your own idea, according to your own requirement, right? So when you changes all things and you think your page is ready to fly, then you can just save this page, and you can check the preview if you want, and publish this page, and publish the URL. Also you can change the URL, main your URL slug. So everything is changeable, don't worry. So now as you can see, my sales funnel require this type of page. I just create a one page, which is sales page. After completing this total funnel, then I have create email opt-in page, checkout page, upsell page, and order confirmation page, and thank you page. I just create a right. So all page I have to create. So if you want to create this page, just go to the Flexi AI site builder app section, then create the entire page according to your requirement. And when the editing part is complete, then you can add this to your project. Then your another page creation is done. So that's why total page creation or funnel creation process work. Also you can now let's talk about flagship proof. So it's a flagship proof is a built-in tool designed to help you build trust instantly. Like you want logging here, this is small pop-up you see on the big website that say John just bought this product, and Lemon just bought this product. That is actually what this feature does. And usually you have to pay monthly for separate product. For but FlexiFunnels include it for free. You can set it a display real-time notification for recent sale and new leads, or sign up right on your page. When visitors see that real people are active on your site, they feel safer buying from you. It is a simple trick, but it is very effective for getting more sales. Just you have to create your campaign name. Like I can create a sales campaign. So if I click the next, then you have to choose the alert type. I can choose here sales alert. I can choose here lead alert. I can choose here a visitor alert. There are so many advanced things are available. Also, you can select the project, which project you want to enable these options. So you have to select the project, and after that you have to select the page settings, and you select the project. Choose which page you want to see this type of pop-up. There are 4 type of pop-up you can show to your visitor, like bottom left, top right, bottom right, and top left. This is the customizations. When the customer see this type of alert on your website, like delay in after page load 4 seconds, or duration to display single after 4 seconds, you can customize your own requirement. And finally you can publish the URL, so that when people are coming to your website, and after certain period of time they will get this type of notification pop-up that John's just bought this product, someone just registered this product, and this type of things. So yeah, this is a really cool and advanced feature. So now let's talk about Flexi AI marketing agent. Writing text for your website is often the hardest part. So the Flexi AI marketing agent help with this. It acts like a professional copy inside the tool. So you have to create a profile for this, and you have create your profile name, your target audience. You have to describe each and everything, so that they will generate for you everything step by step. So you have to input here your target audience, your product or service, and your customer pain point. After that, they will give you the all marketing element, like your ad copy, your video ads idea, image ad idea, text idea. There are so many things they can help you. So you can try this agent, AI marketing agent. And main thing that I like very much, which is timeline domination feature. This actually need everyone. If you click here, timeline domination option, or click here, timeline domination is a complete training hub. So built right inside the FlexiFunnels. There is a full education program include here. So if I click here, so you can see this is the timeline domination. It's a complete training hub built right inside the FlexiFunnels. This is full education program with a step-by-step video course that teach you how to build and grow your online business. That, according to me, this is really helpful feature they add, so that people will learn everything from a single dashboard. And finally, how you can add your domain. Right, how you can live your page. These are very common questions you have. So for this, you have to go to your project. When everything is done, like your page creations, your funnel building, everything when done, then you have to add your domain, right? So to get the settings option to work is the final step. AI have your, and you have your domain. Going live is instant inside the editor, and there is a simple publish button. You can choose which domain you want the page live, like you can see integration settings options. So you can add domain here, like if the domain option, domain integration option here, you can buy the domain lot from FlexiFunnels, like their main option or domain table here. Also, you can add your own existing domain from Hostinger or Namecheap or others domain platform. So here the domain option, you can add your domain, and there are many things you can do here, like they have an Autoresponder integration feature. There are many Autoresponder options available here. So you can see they have a active campaign, constant contact, Mailchimp, ConvertKit, GetResponse, SendFox, MailerLite. There are so many email autoresponder they are supporting. And also, if you have a payment integration, a very important feature for collecting from your subscriber or your course enroller. So you can connect PayPal, Stripe, cash free payment, InstaMojo, Roserpay. There are 5 popular payment integration available here. I think you don't need any other platform if you have these 5 integrations or payment platforms. So you can collect payment via Stripe, you can collect via payment via PayPal, and other integration also, some other integrations. And like if you include and upload any type of video content for your course, then you can use this platform like Vimeo or Goomlet. And for tracking, you can add conversion API. Also, you can add digital asset, like if you are selling digital product, add your domain for sending email. Yeah. So also on the right side, you can see they have a menu sections. If you want to learn more about the product, then they have a knowledge base, which is really amazing. They create all type of knowledge base for you. You can open a ticket. You can check their knowledge base, like how the funnel work, how to integrate the domain, and how to autoresponder work. There's so many things you can do. This is actually huge, big project, I think, and complete funnel builder. If you are using it, you definitely love it. You don't need any other funnel builder like ClickFunnels or Kajabi. This type of funnel you don't need. You can do anything by using FlexiFunnels. So I highly recommended it. So here is all about FlexiFunnels. If you have any question regarding this lifetime deal, don't forget to drop a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our Facebook group to get latest SaaS LTD giveaway and lifetime deal review. Thanks for watching this video.